Is red meat unhealthy, or has it been unfairly demonized? Red meat has been one of the most controversial foods for decades. Some people say it's one of the healthiest foods on Earth. Others say it causes heart disease, cancer, and early death. So, who's right? Is red meat actually unhealthy, or has it been unfairly blamed? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is red meat? It includes beef, lamb, pork, and goat. Unlike chicken or fish, red meat contains higher amounts of myoglobin, which gives it that darker color. But it's also loaded with nutrients. Red meat is one of the best sources of complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also rich in iron, zinc, vitamin B12, and creatine, nutrients that are crucial for energy, muscle growth, and brain function. In fact, vitamin B12 is found naturally almost only in animal foods, and red meat is one of the top sources. So why did red meat get such a bad reputation? A lot of it started from studies linking high red meat consumption to heart disease and cancer. But here's where it gets tricky. Most of those studies are observational. That means they can show correlation, but not causation. For example, people who eat a lot of red meat may also smoke more, exercise less, and eat more processed foods. That makes it hard to isolate the meat itself. And there's a huge difference between processed meat and unprocessed red meat. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and sausage often contain preservatives, added sodium, and chemicals. These are the meats most strongly linked to health risks. But plain steak? Ground beef? Lamb chops? The evidence is much less clear. Some newer research suggests unprocessed red meat may not be nearly as harmful as once believed, especially when eaten as part of a whole food diet. Another big concern is saturated fat. For years, saturated fat was blamed for heart disease. But recent research has challenged that idea. Some scientists now argue the relationship is far more complex than we thought. Still, that doesn't mean unlimited red meat is a good idea. How it's cooked matters too. Burning or charring meat at high temperatures can create compounds linked to cancer risk. So grilling it until it's blackened every night? Probably not the best move. Quality matters as well. Grass-fed beef tends to have more omega-3s and better fat profiles compared to grain-fed beef. So, is red meat unhealthy? The answer is, it depends. If you're eating high-quality, unprocessed red meat in moderation, alongside vegetables, fruits, and whole foods, it can be a nutrient-dense part of a healthy diet. But if your diet is full of processed meats, fries, soda, and little exercise, red meat may just be part of a bigger problem. Red meat isn't automatically bad. But like most foods, context is everything. So what do you think? Healthy superfood or overrated risk? Let me know below. Why?